back to my channel Joyful Foodie. So I know most of you were waiting for this video because it's been a while I posted my first video. So here it is. So in this video I'll be sharing my version of white sauce pasta. As you know, we cannot really go out. It's not really safe to go out and eat. Plus ordering food at home is not really my cup of tea. I don't really enjoy ordering food at home because जो मज़ा हमें बाहर जाकर आता है खाना खाने में वो हमें यहाँ घर पे नहीं आता. So I thought why not make the pasta at home, and most of you know, not most of you, and my friends and my family, those who know me, they know how much I love pasta. So definitely it has to be a pasta video. So I'll be sharing my recipe of white sauce pasta. Before moving further in the video, if you enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram, which is Joyful Foodie. So let's start the video. Now we've come to our kitchen and now we'll be showing you how to make a white sauce pasta. Now I'll be telling you what all ingredients we require to make our white sauce pasta. First and the foremost thing is butter, and that too in good quantity. Then we have refined flour, which is our maida, and bhai sabjiyan, hamari veggies. I have taken bell peppers because they were only available, and baki you can put anything which you want, like anything. Then we have corn and fresh cream, and we have cheddar cheese, and few sliced cheese and oregano for seasoning. So now we need a pan, of course. Let's blow the flame. Now in this we'll be adding butter. I'll be telling you how to make a white sauce. Butter. As I've added butter, let the butter melt. I'll be adding refined flour, 2 spoons. I'll give it a stir. Now we can see it clearly कि हमारा butter and जो मैदा है हमारा वो अच्छे से mix हो चुका है, and it has become, what you can see, it's become brownish. Now अब आप देख सकते हैं it has been become golden brown. So I'll be adding milk to it now. And हमें दूध धीरे धीरे करके डालना है ताकि हमारे lumps ना हो. Well, that's obviously very common. Now, adding little more milk to it. Add milk and do not leave your sauce like this. Give it a stir. Otherwise फिर हमारे lumps हो जाएंगे हमारे पास्ता में, सॉस में basically. And obviously वो lumps खाना किसी को अच्छा लगता भी नहीं है. So here we've given a good nice stir to it. Adding a little more milk. So now as you can see, our sauce has started to get thickened. We're going to add a little more milk to it. And it is totally up to you how much thick the sauce you want. If you don't like it very thick, you can add a little more milk to it. So I'm going to be adding more milk to it. So I feel this is completely enough. As you can clearly see, there are no lumps in my sauce as of now. So now we're going to add veggies to our sauce. So here I'm adding a little bit of yellow capsicum. And here we have a little bit of red capsicum. Corn. And you can put, as I mentioned earlier, कोई भी सब्जी डाल सकते हो. You can put broccoli, you can put mushrooms, you can put baby corn, anything, whatever you like. And most people like to put onion in their pasta. That's absolutely fine. So guys, as we've set our sauce to get to a boil, I will telling you कि how to cook your pasta. तो और पास्ता है हमारा, उसको हमने बहुत सारे लोग ओवर कुक कर देते हैं उसको, थिंकिंग कि उसको सॉगी हो जाता है फिर वो हमारा पास्ता. बट एक्चुअली पास्ता दो टाइप के होते हैं. वन इज़ योर अल्दांते विच मीन्स टू द टुथ एंड अनदर इज़ योर ओवरडू. सो बेसिकली अल्दांते होता है आवर टू द टुथ, जिसमें हमेशा एक बाइट रहती है एंड दे आर नॉट ऑलवेज प्रॉपरली कुक्ड, जिनको हम सॉस में वापस डाल के फिर पकाते हैं. सो आवर जो हमारे पास जो पास्ता है वो हमारा अल्दांते है. और हमेशा पास्ता के पैकेट में इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ लेना, हमेशा दे वुड बी गिवन अ सर्टेन स्पेसिफिक टाइम कि आपको कितने टाइम तक पास्ता को कुक करना है. सो एज आई कैन सी माई पास्ता sauce is to boil. Now we're going to add salt to it. As you can see our sauce is boiling. एंड ऑल्सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल उनको सब जो वेजीज होती हैं उनको फ्राई कर देते हैं. बट फ्राई करने में बहुत ऑयल, आई डोंट रियली प्रेफर दैट. बट बॉयल में क्या रहता है, क्रंच इतना भी सेपरेटली बॉयल करो तो ऑब्वियसली वो इतना क्रंची नहीं रहता है. बट जब आप पास्ता के अंदर बॉयल करते हैं तो इसका क्रंच भी मेंटेन रहता है. सो नाउ वी विल बी एडिंग सॉल्ट टू आवर स्टफ एंड ऑल एज ऑब्वियस salt as per your taste if you are following my recipe. So here we've added salt to it. Now it's time to add some fresh cream. We'll be adding our fresh cream to it. Cream is basically to add on to its richness. So now as you can see our sauce has also starting getting thick and cream डालने के बाद तो इसकी richness, oh my god, इतनी अच्छी हो जाती है. And I always prefer adding the mozzarella and cheddar after when we've added the pasta. I'll tell, अगर आप सॉस में डालेंगे तो इतना उसका जो इलास्टिकनेस होता है वो नहीं दिखेगा आपको. बट when you will add pasta it will easily be shown. So now we'll be adding a few cheese slices. I have added my cheese slice to it. एंड ऑल्सो जब भी आप चीज़ स्लाइस डालें इसमें आप हमेशा मेक श्योर दैट उसको अच्छे से ब्रेक करके डालें, तो इसमें मोस्टली इतना वो अच्छे से मेल्ट नहीं हो पाता है. तो अगर आप पीसेस में डालेंगे तो वो इजीली मेल्ट हो जाएगा. एंड हाँ, जो मैं आपको पहले बताना भूल गई थी वो इज़ डैट कि जब आप कुक कर रहे हैं, हम ऑलरेडी इस मेकिंग वाइट सॉस, तो हम इसमें चीज़ तो बहुत सारी डालेंगे ही. तो चीज़ में ऑलरेडी सॉल्ट होता है, तो मेक श्योर यू ऐड अ लिटिल लेस सॉल्ट. एज यू कैन क्लियरली सी हाउ थिक आवर सॉस इज. So now we'll be adding some black pepper to our sauce. As you can see our sauce is completely ready. It's perfect amount of thickness. Now we're going to be adding our pasta. As you can see this is our al dente pasta. Now we're going to cook this pasta in the sauce as well. So basically हमें अपने पास्ता को 80% वाटर में कुक करना है and 20% remaining we have to cook it in the sauce. As you can see our pasta looks so colorful yet so nice and it smells amazing. Most of us have tried outside pasta as well and बहुत जगह पे क्या होता है, पास्ता की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा होती है सॉस की कम होती है, जो कि हमेशा उल्टा होना चाहिए. हमारे पास्ता की क्वांटिटी कम होनी चाहिए एंड सॉस की ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा पास्ता बाद में जब ठंडा होगा वो सॉस को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है, विच बिकम्स वेरी chewy. So yeah, our pasta is now, I feel, completely ready. Now we'll be adding our mozzarella. As you can see how creamy, how thick texture is there of the sauce. You can also add black olives if you like it. I really don't like black olives itna zyada, so I have not added it now to my pasta. So now here is your pasta completely ready. So now our pasta is completely ready. Now we're going to start its plating. So here you can add pasta. And also अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका पास्ता ज़्यादा देर तक गर्म रहे, so always plate it in a heat. क्योंकि जब वो ऐसे हीट में रहता है तो वो ज़्यादा देर तक गर्म रहता है. So here's our pasta. Suggestion tip: serve hot. Here I've added little more mozzarella to it. You can add it if you want little more mozzarella. I just want this much. Now here I've been adding my oregano for seasoning and a little bit of black pepper to add a little bit of spicier taste. You can also add chili flakes, but I really don't eat spicy food, so here is it. So here's our pasta ready. So now let's taste it. Though it smells amazing. Now let's dig it in. Let's mix it nicely so that the oregano and the seasoning gets nicely mixed. It's just too perfect. I mean, it's really nice. It's creamy, it's cheesy, yet it is flavorful as we have added a lot of veggies to it. Now, I would enjoy my pasta. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do comment below what all recipes you want in the future. And here I am enjoying my pasta. Till then, see you.